If you want to be able to understand Munster Irish, you need to understand how they're going to form the past tense a bit differently. While I might say something like bhí mé, bhí tú, bhí sé, bhí she, and so on for the past tense of the verb to be, in Munster it's going to more so look like this. Essentially, with the exception of she and she, which say the same, they don't use the pronouns and they change the verb for every person to make it clear what's being said. So you have bhíos with a sharp, broad S at the end for I was, bhíos with a soft, slender S for you were, she and she don't change, bhíomer for we were, bhíover you plural were, and then bhíodar for they were. The good thing is this copies over from verb to verb, it doesn't really change. So if you take a verb like understand, it's going to be higas, higish, hig she and hig she, higamer, higaver and higadar. The high one is moment your consider show, be the wall at patreon.com/learnirishonline.